Here I've got Nokia One Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System and go to Date and Time. So it's the second tab, and now you can either pick Automatic Date and Time, or you can switch it off by tapping on Automatic Date and Time, click Off, and now you can set the date and also time manually by yourself. So it's up to you what time and date you've got in your device. Then you can also have automatic time zone, or you can switch it off and pick the one that you would like to have. Just select the region at first, and then time zone if there's more than one. And finally, you can either have automatic 24-hour format clock, or you can switch it off and have 12-hour format clock. And that's basically all. This is how you can update the date and time in your device. Then if you would like to go back to default settings, you can simply tap on those switchers to go back to automatic time zone, automatic 24-hour format clock, and also automatic date and time. Just decide if you would like to use network provided time or GPS provided time. I would rather network provided time, so that's it. So basically, this is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.